Hello mga kabiyas! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, samahan na kami mag-celebrate ng birthday ng Friendly Chubbs dito sa may Olive Garden sa may BGC. So for our starters, try namin yung kanilang never-ending soup and salad and breadsticks. So mayroon silang apat na klase ng soup, pero ang pinaka-nagsunok talaga is yung chicken gnocchi kasi sobrang creamy niya, and in fairness marami siyang laman na chicken. So for our appetizers, try namin tong kanilang shrimp frito misto and fried mozzarella. And so far, sobrang sarap naman ng mga kanilang appetizers dito. I'll share with you yung mga pasang in-order namin. Siyempre, bago yan, nag-picture-picture muna kami nung dumating na yung mga food. Para, bago kami mas mukhang mataba sa picture, nag-picture na kami niyan. Tsare. So, for our pasta, meron kami ditong Bake City. And then, in-order din namin yung lasagna. Plus, meron kaming chicken carbonara. And then, meron kaming chicken and shrimp alfredo. So, yun yung mga pasta na in-order namin. In fairness, yung serving ng pasta nila is good for 1 to 2 persons na siya. So, sulit naman. Plus, meron ka naman only salad, soup, and breadsticks. So, sarga mabubusog ka talaga dito. Overall, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung experience namin dito sa may Olive Gardens. Kasi, sulit talaga siya at masarap. Italian kitchenette siya. And then, meron din silang alfresco dining dito sa BGC. So, after namin doon, nag-decide lang maglakad-lakad and mag-coffee. Kasi gusto nila lang ipatry sa amin tong Harlan and Holden na coffee shop. So, maganda yung lugar. Kaya lang, wala silang comfort room. Kasi meron naman daw malapit sa mall. Pero yun, what if close na yung mall and open sila until midnight ata. So, yung medyo weird kasi coffee shop sila. So, yung coffee, standard lang for me. And in-order ko lang naman dito is yung Spanish latte. Kasi nga, first time ko dito mag-try ng coffee. So, hindi ko pa sure kung ano yung mga best sellers nila. Pero yun, overall, na-enjoy ko naman yung aming dinner and ang aming coffee at chika-chika together. So, nice meeting you again, Lee. And then, Tin. And happy birthday again, Lee. And thank you for treating us. And see you again soon. Yun lang mga kabiyas. Thank you for watching. Batiin nyo naman si Lee ng happy birthday!